What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your research, man. We're gonna be getting into some charts and then get to this news. So I want to play this video first so you guys can check this out, man. Hit the like and subscribe for me, man, so we can keep this content pumping. Let's get straight to it. So we got some news today about the home sales, and we're gonna kind of get into the stats of where this market could be potentially going.
More gloomy numbers out today showing a beaten down sector. Existing home sales falling to their lowest level since 2014. Sales of previously owned homes falling 17.8% last year to 5 million. That's according to the National Association of Realtors. Sales were down 1.5% on a month-to-month basis. December sales down 34% from the prior year. This is now the 11th straight month of declines. NAR Chief Economist Lawrence Yun says he's, quote, hopeful that the worst in home sales is probably come to an end. Let's hope that that is the case. Remember, a lot of these numbers we see in housing are really lagging. Still a couple of more Fed increases to come. I don't think we're through it yet. I think Lawrence Yun is optimistic there. Still a little more to come. What do you think?
Yeah, exactly. I think it's going to take a little bit more just in terms of the drop in mortgage rates to get even more buyers off the sidelines. When you take a look at these numbers when it comes to existing housing, sales dropping in the Northeast, in the South, and in the Midwest. It was unchanged in the West. So I guess when you just take a look at this data, the West seems to be doing okay, or at least showing some signs of stabilizing. Median house price increasing at the slowest pace since early in the pandemic. More sellers offering discounts, which I guess you could say might be a little bit of
So that's what we got, man. As you can see, home sales declined once again in the month of December, down 1.5%. We're going to get into some charts on what I saw this morning. So I'm going to get straight to it. This is the S&P. This is the chart that I was trading today. So we got yesterday's highs are here at 39.20. So I'm going to zoom all the way in so you can see. All right. So that's what the market did today, man. It kind of showed a lot of strength early on, and then it chopped for a while and then pushed straight on through. So the market immediately gapped up. So I expected them to fill that gap. They didn't hesitate. I did catch this short move down. I'm gonna change this color so you can see. Let me just move this off the screen. All right, so we got prices. They came down, closed the gap, immediately blasted off. So we got a series of higher lows, and they came back up to where prices open. They did show some resistance right here at this level. We got a two-legged correction and a push straight through it. This was a nice entry along. Could have took. It came up to yesterday's highs. So you can see this is the level right here. This is yesterday's level where they went up to 39.22 area. This is the resistance line I had drawn. It potential was a nice short. If you took this trade, could have got about maybe two, maybe about 6 points. If you took this short from the yesterday's highs, it came back up to it, and then they completely engulfed it. You could have took it on a breakout because this was the first break of this trend. So as you can see, they confirmed this trend line that I had drawn. It was a nice confirmation series of higher lows. So we got the first touch was down here, second touch, third touch confirmed it. Then we got a higher low. You could have easily took this trade and been done for the day. Beautiful, beautiful trade today. So I did make the mistake today of trading a couple more stocks. I was green initially on the S&P, but I traded a couple stocks and they remained stagnant. They did not go either way. They just kind of was flat the entire day, which is kind of my fault. I should have just stuck with the S&P for the day because the option expiration was today. So I'm gonna zoom out, kind of show you the bigger picture. So they pushed through. All right, they pushed through yesterday's highs. All right, pushed straight on through it, came up to 30, 39, 30 area. They consolidated for maybe about an hour and a half from 11:30 to about almost 3. Yeah. 11, 12, 1, 2, 30-ish. Yeah, so I'll say about 2:30 till about 2:30. They consolidated, fell breakout to the downside. Still need a high, a new high of this uptrend. Actually, it probably was a little wider. You could have drew it like this, a little wider pattern because the trend was so strong. But I like the other one because it confirmed all of them. So we got a first leg consolidation and a second leg up. If you would have just stuck with the trend, you would have been fine. Nice trades here, series of higher lows. The resistance is way up here, so this is where I would have took profit somewhere in this area. But they pushed straight on through that like it wasn't even there, which I was surprised about myself. But they did it so late in the day. I mean, I wouldn't have stuck around for this move. This is the end of the day, so that's the price action for the day, man. Just 2 legs up. Simple day. If you would have stuck with the trend up to resistance, and you would have been done, man. So trading can be done, man. You just have to get rid of the emotional part, and you'll continue to be consistent, man. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Might not be trading Monday, but we'll see what happens. Out.